There is only one way to do it. We must add meat to meat, and waters of meat, and rivers of water. But this is just the beginning of the start. Cover it. Uncover it. There are other passengers in this journey, but these are not the main passengers. Some wear yellow, others wear red. Cover it. Uncover it. Black guys were there, and the ground guys. When can we see the main passengers? Cover it. This one is dark in nature, but naturally, this one is white. Is that the main passenger? Cover it. Enough of that. It could have started any other way, but we added meat to meat, and we added several other things, so we could turn things around and show things around. Salt was part of it, and leaves from all walks of life. No one takes a journey without leaves. Is leaves the main passenger? Leaf is not passenger enough. Cover it. Other leaves we are waiting to come inside. Are they the main passengers? For where? We cannot give honor to whom honor is not due. Every passenger is passenger enough, and respect is reciprocal. You have seen everything. Cover it. Everyone thought it was about meat, and meat meeting meat. But meat is not the chairman in this establishment. There are things better than meat, or they make meat better for the betterment of everyone. Cover it. Uncover it. Now you think chicken is better than meat, but chicken is meat and must be bettered by what betters others. Uncover it. We are not here for this. Water is not the better, or more water. So who is the chairman of this establishment? Can we see something better? Have you seen oil, or this one? What is special about oil? We want to see something no one have seen before. Cover it. Have you seen the young man? Is he the chairman? Young man cannot be chairman. Uncover it. Have you seen what no one has seen before? Have you seen white substance from a blender? Cover it. Uncover it. What else do you want to see? Is this well established, or you want another establishment? Do you want leave, or you want another chairman? Ordinary leave cannot be chairman in this establishment. Anti-esta, anything can be chairman. Someday it might be pepper, someday it might be salt. People thought it was all about meat, and meat meeting meat. No one expected an ordinary leave from Omunede to be chairman. Cover it. It wasn't meat that was their problem. We had meat, and multiplicities of meat, and the tiny ones. We had river, and waters of river. Cover it. We are not here to cover things. It was a different community, and we had everything known to man, but they wanted something else so badly, and we couldn't talk them out of it. So we added everything that must be added, but they remained quiet and spoke to no one. We were terrified. We had meat, but it wasn't their meat, so we added fish, thinking it would matter to them, but nothing ever mattered. We must find a solution for our own safety, so we added this, and this one, and the green guys, and for the first time they seemed to whisper something to one another, smiling like it was the beginning of a festival. Cover it. Uncover it. And their king was the first to speak, but he spoke in a language we would never understand. Cover it. Uncover it. It was 35 years before we figured out what he said. You either come with meat, or you turn to meat. Ha 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 ha. Cover it.